Namaskar bachcho. Once again, greetings to all and welcome to the State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCRT, Patna, Bihar. This time, again we are welcoming you in an English class of class 8. And the lesson which we are going to take is very interesting. The thing which we like the most. अब बिल्कुल मैं एक सवाल पूछ रही हूँ आपसे. I want to ask a question. Which is that thing? Which is that action which you like the most? Do you like eating? Do you like drinking the most? बिल्कुल होता है. Many of us are foodies. Many of us love food so much that our favorite action is eating all day. So what is exactly your favorite action? Playing, jumping, dancing, singing, whichever action. I guess you all are thinking about your favorite action. But let me tell you my favorite action. My favorite action is not at all studying or teaching. बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना कि मैं पढ़ाने आई हूँ तो पढ़ाना ही मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा काम है. बिल्कुल my favorite action is sleeping all day. हंसी आ रही है ना? And now many of you could remember कि ये आपका भी बहुत पसंदीदा action है. Sleeping all day. And what happens when we sleep all day? हमें अक्सर घर में कमेंट्स मिलते हैं, ताने मिलते हैं. Our mother, father, brother, they keep taunting us. कि अरे you are sleeping all day. You are doing nothing but you are sleeping all day. You are a lazy person. Yes, if we sleep too much, just like if we eat too much, if we play too much, if we study too much, whichever action, whenever we do too much, जो भी काम हमें चाहे जितना भी पसंद हो, अगर हम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली ये हमारे लिए नुकसानदायक होता है. It harms us. Instead of benefiting us, it harms us. For example, what happens when we play a game? We feel fit and healthy and strong and active. We feel like that. But if we keep on playing too much, then we will not be able to focus on other things. हम दूसरी कामों पर ध्यान नहीं दे पाएंगे. Just like if we keep studying all day. Yes, it is good. मम्मी पापा खुश हो जाते हैं. You study day, you keep on studying whole night, they will be happy. But again, if we keep on studying and do nothing, then is it good for us? क्या ये हमारे लिए अच्छा है? No. याद है वो poem? All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. सिर्फ काम करते रहें, सिर्फ पढ़ाई करते रहें और बिल्कुल खेले कूदे ना, ये भी हमें डल बना देता है. But something, all actions in some proportion, एक थोड़ी थोड़ी मात्रा में हर चीज़ हमारे लिए ज़रूरी होती है. Just like sleep is also very necessary in our life. हमारी लाइफ के लिए सोना भी बहुत important है. If we keep on working and we don't sleep at all, अगर हम ज़रा भी ना सोएं, तो do you think it will help our body? Or we will stand first in the class or we will become successful? No. There is an English proverb, एक कहावत सुनी है, burning the midnight's lamp. रात के अंधेरे का तेल जलाना. Midnight मतलब आधी रात. तो आधी रात में तेल कब जलेगा? When you keep studying till midnight. जब आप रात के 12 बजे तक पढ़ते रहते हो, तो आधी रात तक definitely तेल जलेगा. But do not make it a habit. Study when you really have the need for studying that much. Otherwise, you should have proper time management. बिल्कुल टाइम मैनेजमेंट होना चाहिए. We have 12 hours a day, including 6 hours of night. 12 to 18 hours, maximum 15 hours are enough to complete any work successfully. किसी भी काम को अच्छे से पूरा करना चाहिए. And after that, suppose how many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. And 24 hours, if we divide into two parts, 12 hours in a day, 12 hours at night. Let us consider the evening hours. So 12 to 15 hours or 16 to 18 hours are enough for us to work. After that, always remember, we should have a good sleep, good rest. It is equally important in our life. And guess what? This is the story, this is the chapter which we are going to take. I hope You have seen your textbook and you can see the lesson number 2 of class 8 textbook, and that is, the topic is sleep. Now I would expect all of you to just open your textbook, open the chapter and just watch a beautiful picture of a boy sleeping there peacefully in his bed. What's the name of the chapter that we are going to read? This is sleep. Yes, sleep, which if we do carefully, if we do nicely with proper time and proper place and in a proper manner, it will not make us lazy. It will rather help us being active, being fresh, being able to think clearly. ये हमें fresh बनाएगा. It will help us to think clearly. Think, सोचना clearly, साफ साफ सोचने में. It will also help us in taking sound decisions. Sound decisions means, अब कहोगे आवाज और decision. What kind of words the teacher is using? Sound मतलब आवाज, बिल्कुल सही है, but sound as a word is also an adjective. अगर हम कहते हैं this he or she has a sound health, तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? The very word sound as an adjective means good. So let us see this word. We should have sound sleep. And what do we mean with this sound? Sound as a word is an adjective. एक विशेषता है. And what does it mean? It means good. So always remember, कभी confuse मत करना. अगर किसी से इंग्लिश में सुनना कि this person has a sound health, this person has a sound voice, this person needs sound sleep, this person needs, इस आदमी को जरूरत है sound sleep की. क्यों भाई? जरूर उसने इरिटेशन वाला काम किया होगा, वो जरा सी बात पे चिड़चिड़ा गया होगा. So definitely ऐसा कब होता है? When we do not take proper rest. So let us go with the text. देखते हैं इसमें और क्या क्या बताया हुआ है sleep के बारे में, right? So nobody knows why we sleep, but we all need to. Nobody knows why we sleep, why we feel hungry, why we feel thirsty. ये कुछ ऐसे प्रोसेस हैं, हमें क्यों भूख लगती है, क्यों प्यास लगती है, क्यों हमें उठ के कहीं जाने का मन करता है, क्यों हमारी कहीं नींद आती है, हम कहीं बैठे होते सो जाते हैं. Nobody knows why we do so, but we all need to. पर हमें ज़रूरत होती है. We need to sleep, we need to eat, we need to drink, because this is how God has made us. This is how the nature has made us. इसी तरह से हमें प्रकृति ने बनाया है. तो प्रकृति ने हमारे अंदर जो भी बनाया है, if we do not do that, if we do not eat, if we do not drink, and if we do not sleep or rest, then it will not be good for us. So nobody knows why we sleep, but we all need to. पर हमें ज़रूरत है. Sleep helps our body and brain develop and grow. That's what we are talking. Sleep helps our body and brain to grow. हमारी बॉडी को, थके हुए शरीर को, थके हुए मन को आराम देने के लिए और ये आगे बढ़ सके, क्योंकि थकान में क्या होती है? बॉडी ग्रो ही करना बंद कर देती है. All your cells in your body are tired, so they stop working. Now just imagine what will happen if the cells stop working. If the cells stop working, your body, your mind, your brain will not grow. Our body needs sleep to stay healthy and fight sickness. Now listen, right now during COVID time, हम लोग किसकी बात कर रहे थे? Boost your immunity, improve your immunity. Improve, improve means बढ़ना. Improve मतलब बढ़ाना. Do you know this word? The word is improve. I-M-P-R-O-V-E. Improve means बढ़ाना. और इसके लिए कभी कभी हम दूसरे वर्ड्स क्या यूज करते थे? बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी. एडवर्टीजमेंट देखा है? बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी. और बहुत पहले एक ऐड आता था, बूस्ट इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ माई एनर्जी, दैट वॉज अ हेल्थ ड्रिंक एंड द एड वॉज गिवन बाय फेमस क्रिकेटर कपिल देव, ठीक है। लेकिन बूस्ट एज अ वर्ड, इसका मतलब भी यही होता है। इंप्रूव को हम और क्या बोल सकते हैं, बूस्ट। सो बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी। सो आवर स्लीप, a good sleep also boosts our health, improves our health, हमारे हेल्थ को बढ़ाता है, हमारे हेल्थ को ताकत देता है, and it helps us fight sickness, बीमारी रोकने में, बीमारी से लड़ने में हमें मदद करता है, fight sickness, ठीक है। During sleep, our muscles, bones and skin can grow. That's what we talked about. The cells, when they get rest, then they start growing appropriately at a good speed. And muscles, skin and other parts can fix injuries. Muscles, skin and other parts can help fix injuries. कभी देखा है हॉस्पिटल में, when you have a serious accident, है ना, and the operation has been done, what is the next thing that the doctor advises? इन्हें सोने दें, जितना सो सकें ये सोएं, इन्हें डिस्टर्ब न करें, do not make noise in the room of patients, ठीक है। and they even provide sleeping medication. sleeping medication means नींद आने वाली दवा। क्यों दी जाती है? because more the body is at rest, better the immunity power and the health of the patient. इसीलिए the skin can grow, muscles, skin and other parts can fix injuries. Our brain needs sleep. Sleep helps our brain to remember what we learn. It also helps brain to pay attention and concentrate. अब तो ये मुझे चेक करना है, when you are watching this class, have you taken good sleep? या नींद आ रही है? अगर नींद आ रही है, then you cannot focus and attention because your brain cells are tired. So before watching any video or before coming to school, you should also have good sleep. अच्छे से नींद लेकर जानी चाहिए ताकि आपका दिमाग फ्रेश रहे. During exams also, we all make the same mistakes. रात भर पढ़ते हैं. We keep studying all night and we make our brain tired before appearing for the exams. Exams में जाने के पहले दिमाग को थका देते हैं. And we do not give it proper rest. कभी कभी होता है ना, you knew the answer but you could not write it, you could not remember it, आपको याद नहीं आया, आप थक गए, ठीक है. तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because your brain is exhausted. So always make sure that before coming to school, before attending to a program, before learning classes, you should have proper sleep. अच्छे से सो के आराम से किसी चीज को पढ़ो, देखो, बहुत आराम से समझ में आएगा, ठीक है. Let's see. There are no rules about how much sleep is necessary. Now this is a good question. अब इतना sleep की तारीफ कर दी है. I have talked about this sleep in such a great way कि पता चलेगा कल से तुम लोग सुबह से शाम तक सो रहे हो. And you will blame me that मैम ने बताया है कि सोना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Yes, sleep is necessary, but how much? That is the question. Suppose बिना नमक के खाना खा सकते हो? No. You cannot taste any food or any food will not taste good without salt. But वही नमक अगर ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा हो जाए, can you have that food? क्या खा पाओगे? बिल्कुल नहीं खा पाओगे. That's in the same way. Sleep is necessary for us, but that too in a reasonable amount. Reasonable मतलब बिल्कुल जितना ज़रूरी है उतना. अब ये तो पता नहीं कि मुझे कितनी नींद चाहिए, तुम्हें कितनी नींद चाहिए, कितनी देर सोकर तुम फ्रेश हो जाते हो, and how much sleep do I need to become fresh and healthy and active. So this depends, this varies from person to person. Now I say vary, I am not saying very. ठीक है, we have two words. I am saying varies, मतलब बदलना. I am not saying very. मिलता है ना कॉपी में V-E-R-Y, very good. V-E-R-Y, very good. But I am not saying very. I am saying vary. मैंने एक्ले बढ़ा दिया, तो जैसे ही मैंने एक साउंड चेंज किया, the word has been changed. वर्ड बदल गया. So द स्लीप वेरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. हर आदमी की जरूरत उसके हिसाब से अलग होती है. दिस इज व्हाट द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. पहले पैराग्राफ में हमने क्या पढ़ा? इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द स्लीप, सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द स्लीप. सिग्निफिकेंस, सिग्निफिकेंस का मतलब क्या होता है? सिग, SIG, सिग, NI, फी, केंस, या इसका दूसरा वर्ड है इंपॉर्टेंस, IMPORTANCE, इंपॉर्टेंस एंड महत्व. So the first paragraph when we talked about, it was about importance of the sleep, significance of the sleep, यानी नींद के महत्व के बारे में. Now in the second paragraph we will learn how much sleep is important for which person. किसी आदमी के लिए कितनी नींद जरूरी है. ठीक है? So there are no rules about it. इसके बारे में कोई नियम नहीं है. But an average adult sleeps for 7 hours. Average adult, एक बड़े आदमी को, adult means बड़ा आदमी, definitely after 18 years. हमारे देश में after 18 years we call a person an adult person. Before that he is a boy, he is a teenager. What is your stage? अभी आप कितने साल के हो? Less than 18 years. Less than 18 years हो, so you are not adult. आप adult नहीं हो, you are like a boy or a teenager. किशोर हो अभी आप. ठीक है? So on an average adult, आमतौर पे एक बड़े आदमी को more than 18 years need 7 hours of sleep. 7 घंटे की नींद चाहिए. About 8% of adults are happy with 5 hours or less of sleep and 4% 10 hours or more. अब देखो यहाँ भी वेरिएशन है. About 8% of adults, that means दुनिया में जितने भी लोग 18 साल से ऊपर हैं, उसमें सपोज द नंबर इज लाइक crores और lakhs, लाखों में, उसका 8%. Now you must be knowing mathematics better than me. Suppose करो if 1 crore people are adult people, जो कि ऐसा है नहीं, नंबर बहुत ज्यादा है, but still तो 8% उसके कितने लोग होंगे? ठीक है? अगर 10 लोग हैं तो 8% of 10 means 8 लोग. So 8% of adults need, वो उनको लगता है कि 5 to 6 hours is enough for us. 5 से 6 घंटे हमारे लिए काफी है. But the other 4%, they feel that at least I need 10 hours of sleep. इसलिए इसका कोई रूल नहीं है. Some feel कि 5-6 घंटे बहुत हैं. Some of the people, they feel that we need more than 10 hours of sleep. But on an average, एक आम तौर पर, average means आम तौर पर औसत. ठीक है? मैथ्स में भी होता है एवरेज. ठीक है? तो एवरेज मीन्स किसी को ज्यादा चाहिए, किसी को कम चाहिए, बट फिर भी एक आम तौर पे a common adult should have 6 to 7 hours of sleep. Now, ये तो adults की बात हो गई. Children at the age of 5 to 12. Now, don't you think this is your age? You must be above 12 years. But children at the age of 5 to 12 years, 5 से 12 साल की उम्र के बच्चे need 10 to 11 hours of sleep each night. Each मतलब हर, प्रत्येक. Each night they need 10 to 12 hours of sleep. But what about infants? Infants मतलब, if I say infant, infants, और हम जिसको कॉमनली बोलते हैं बेबीज, छोटा बच्चा, बिल्कुल छोटा बच्चा. ठीक है? जिसको हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? शिशु. शिशु या बहुत छोटे बच्चे. ठीक है? How many hours they need to sleep? उन्हें कितनी दिन की नींद चाहिए? Definitely more than us, because they are in the stage of growing. Right now what we discussed, अभी हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? When our cells are tired, tired means थक जाना, वो कार वाला टायर नहीं. I'm not talking about that tire. Do you know the difference of those spelling of those tires? One is, this is very interesting, one is TYRE टायर. ये जो है वो कार या बस के या साइकिल के क्या होते हैं? चक्के. एंड इफ आई से TIRE टायर, तो इसका मतलब होता है थकान. सो व्हेन आई से आवर सेल्स गेट टायर्ड, तो गलती से TYRE टायर नहीं लिखना, उसमें कौन सी स्पेलिंग होगी? यस, द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सेम, इसको भी टायर ही बोलते हैं, बट व्हाट विल बी द स्पेलिंग? TIRE टायर्ड. So right now we discussed when our cells get tired, they do not grow. वो grow नहीं कर पाते हैं. और बच्चों की उम्र क्या होती है? What is the stage of children? They have to grow. They have to grow in their approach, in their height, in their weight, in their thinking capacity, in their activities, everywhere they have to grow. So children need, so that is what the writer says. Children at the age of 5 to 12 needs 10 to 11 hours of sleep each night. Babies need between 14 to 18 hours. Babies को कितना चाहिए? 14 to 18 hours. Whereas the elderly need less than they did when young. Elderly means, सबको पता होना चाहिए spelling. What is the meaning of elder? Elder means बड़े. And what is the opposite of it? Elder अगर बड़ा है तो उसका opposite क्या होगा? Younger. Younger means छोटे. So elderly needs, जो बड़े बुजुर्ग होते हैं उन्हें बहुत कम नींद की ज़रूरत होती है. Naturally, they usually spend sleepless night. They are not exactly tired and they get less sleep, and less amount of sleep is enough for them than they used to take when they were young. जब वो सचमुच छोटे थे तो उन्हें ज़्यादा नींद की चाहिए होती थी, बिल्कुल हमारी तरह. When we were babies, how many hours? अभी बताया कितने hour? 16 to 18 hours. Let us note it. Babies, how many hours sleep do they need? 16 to 18 hours. Now, children from 5 to 12 age, how many hours? Look at your book and find out. 5 to 12 age के बच्चों को कितना चाहिए होता है? Have I written correct? मैंने यहाँ 5 लिखा है. Is it correct? No. What will be the correct one? Yes, they need 10 to 12 hours of sleep. Then, as an adult people, they need 6 to 8 hours of sleep on an average. So this is what we call the requirement of our sleeping dose, कि अगर हम इस मात्रा में, if we are having a regular sleep, if we could have this kind of sleep, इतने घंटे की sleep as a baby, as an adult or as an old man, अगर हम कम sleep भी लेते हैं, then that sleep will help our body and our brain to grow, to think clearly, to be at peace and be happy. Grow करना है, think clearly, सही सोचना है, साफ सोचना है, and grow healthy and be at peace, be at happiness. जब हम साफ सोचते हैं तो शांति से रहते हैं और खुश रहते हैं. So what did we learn in these two paragraphs? दो पैराग्राफ में क्या समझ में आया? Sleep is important for us, and if we take sleep in good amount, in a reasonable amount, then it will help us to be healthy and happy. ये हमें स्वस्थ और खुश रहने में मदद करेगा. So this much for this time. Thank you.